अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो आज हम 6th क्लास के सॉर्टिंग मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप्स ये चैप्टर के बारे में MCQs देखेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर्स देखेंगे हम। तो चलिए, पहला क्वेश्चन है मटेरियल्स दैट कैन नॉट बी compressed easily are called dash material. आंसर है हार्ड मटेरियल, सो आंसर डी। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन, chocolates, biscuits and other items are displayed in a shop in see-through containers that are made of glass or plastic. This explains the properties of dash of glass and plastic. So आंसर है ट्रांसपेरेंसी। ट्रांसपेरेंसी से हमें दिखाई देगा। सो नेक्स्ट उसके बाद है an oiled paper acts as a material. आंसर है ट्रांसलुसेंस। आंसर बी है ट्रांसलूसेंट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रांसपेरेंट? मिल्क है, आयरन, ग्लास, वुड। ग्लास इज ट्रांसपेरेंट। कैन यू मेड 4 cups of instant coffee? One has 1 teaspoon of coffee, the second has 2, the third has 3, and the fourth teaspoons of coffee. Which is the most structured? Answer है D, fourth option, the 4th cup with 4 tablespoons of coffee. Next, take 2 samples, one of oil and the other of water. Mix the 2. You observe that oil floats on water. Option B. Option B. Take a glass of water, add 2 spoons of sugar, stir it. You observe that sugar does not dissolve in water. Option A answer. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it dissolves a large number of substances. Next, we group things together because dividing materials in groups make it convenient to study their properties and observe patterns in these properties. Next, the materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as? Option B. Choose the opaque objects from the following. Option A. Which of the following gets reddish brown in color on exposures to air? Answer iron. Which gas is responsible for fizz in soft drink? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following statement incorrect? Option B. Materials are grouped together on the basis of only similarities. Which of the following floats on water? Wax. Option A. Which of the following is soft? Iron, wood, cotton, stone? Cotton. What makes the basics of sorting materials into groups? Option C. Both similarities and difference in their properties. Wood is used as a fuel. Which properties makes it sustainable for the purpose? Option A. Mustard oil and kerosene are the examples of in water liquids. Option B. Which is a set of transparent materials? All of these, मतलब glass and air, water and glass, water and air, transparent materials. Which of the following has reddish brown color? Iron. Which of the following has a fixed shape? Carbon dioxide, CO2. Which of the following is a hard? Iron. Iron is hard. And An oily thin paper sheet cannot be predicted. Which of the following is insoluble in water? Coconut oil, correct. Next, pick one material from the following which is completely soluble in water. Glucose. Next, which is the hardest material among the following? Hardest material, iron. Option D. Which is the softened material among the following? Sponge. The substance which completely dissolve in water is C. Sugar. The substance which does not dissolve completely in water is does not completely in water. Does not dissolve completely means sugar solve sand, none of these. A material which dissolve completely in water is called soluble. Sugar soluble, sand soluble, and salt soluble. So none of this is dissolvable. Does not dissolve. A material which dissolve completely in water is called soluble. A material which does not dissolve completely in water is insoluble. Answer option B. The material which floats on water is a piece of wood. Option A. The material that sink in water is stone. The material through which we can see clearly, transparent. The material which do not allow light to pass through them, opaque. The materials through which objects can be seen, partially. Option C. The material which has luster, iron. Option A. Next, select the one used to a basic for grouping of objects. Shape of the objects, material of which they are made, both the above, none of the above, both the above. This means C. Which of the following does not have luster? Wood. Second, on the basics of transparency, we can group objects in which of the following groups? Transparent substances, opaque substances, and all the above. Answer is D. Question. Dividing materials in groups is done for option A and B. For both the above. Means C. Option C. Divided materials in groups is done. Which of the following does not belong to the same group as others? Glass. Which of the following is not a solid substance? Honey. Which of the following is insoluble in water? Tea leaves. Which of the following is classified a transparent substances? Glass. Which of the following is a water soluble material? Blue vitriol. Air is grouped as transparent. Which of the following does not belong to the group of shiny materials? Option D means paper, cardboard, chalk. Which of the following substances dissolve in water? Vinegar. Which of the following is not a transparent substance? Wood. Which of the following is a soft material? Sponge. Which of the following cannot be grouped in the same group as other on the basics of their shape? Tripod shape stand. A transparent substance is one that allows the light to pass through it. Translucent materials are those through which objects can be seen but not clearly. Ple- Pliers used by electrical usually have plastic cover on the handle. Why? Plastic is a bad conductor of heat. Plastic is water resistance. Plastic is bad conductor of electricity. So all of this. We group the materials for our convenience and also for some other reasons. Materials are grouped together on the basics of both similarities in their properties, difference in their properties. So answer is C. Both on similarities and difference in their properties. Select the one that is not made up of the same material as others. Table. Which which on which one of the following is different from others? Sand. Find the odd one out from the following. Boat. Rose, jasmine, marigold, the flowers. Boat is different. So soluble substances are those that get completely dissolved in water at room temperature. Find the odd one out from the following. Aluminium, iron, copper, sand. Which of the following help us to choose a material for making an object? Both the properties of materials and of purpose for which the object is to be used. Which one of the following has hard surface? Stone. Option C. Identify the material which are soft. Cotton, wool, silk. All these soft material. It is material that floats on the surface of water and is opaque. It is used to make chair, table, etc. Answer wood. Which one of the following is different from others? Sugar, salt, sand, copper, sulfate. Answer is C. Option C. Which of the following is correct for the terms luster? Option D. Shiny appearances. Which of the following is the characteristics of materials with luster? Both A and B. Their luster can be seen when it is freshly cut. The luster can be seen when it is rubbed with sandpaper. Select the objects from the following objects which has shine. Steel spoon. Find the odd one out from the following. Cat. Chair, bed, table. Cat. Find the odd one out from the following. Sugar, salt, sand, milk. An opaque material is one through which you are not able to see. Which of the following is good conductor of heat? Silver. Which of the following object will sink in water? Bricks. Newspaper, a book, a copy, a diary are made up a paper. The materials are grouped into various categories on the basis of all the above. Similar and difference in their properties, nature, size, shape and color, solubility, use, transparency and hardness. Which of the following objects can be grouped together based on having rough surface? Option B. Doormat and sandpaper. Which of the following is soluble in water? Glycerin. Steel spoons used for cooking becomes hot easily. They are often given handle of C. Wood. The hardest substances is diamond. Select odd from the following. Eraser. Water is said to play an important role in the functioning of our body. Why? Both A and C. It is an auxiliary liquid for life. It can dissolve a large number of substances. Find the odd one out from the following. Glass beaker. Find out. Find odd one out. Iron, copper, silver, ice. Ice is answer. Identify the materials miscible in water. D. All the above. All of this. Salt, sugar and vinegar. Sand and pebbles are grouped differently because sand is smooth and pebbles are rough. Which of the following is a good conductor of heat? Good conductor of heat, copper. A substances that do not allow the light to pass through them are called option B, opaque. Next, which one of the following is not soluble in water? Turmeric powder, common salt, alum, all the above. Turmeric powder. Option A. Only turmeric powder is not soluble in water. Sorting materials into groups. Which object shines? Plastic toy, cotton shirt, steel spoon, stone piece. Steel spoon. Steel spoon is a metallic object while all others are non-metals. Which of the following has reddish brown color? Iron. Iron is reddish brown color. Iron. Yes. Iron has reddish brown color. Which of the following is Which of the following is insoluble in water? Alcohol, sodium chloride, coconut oil, sugar. Coconut oil. Answer. Coconut oil is insoluble in water. Glass and air transparent, iron sheet and cardboard, opaque, oily paper sheet, translucent, sugar and salt soluble in water, gold and silver, metallic, luster, wax floats on water. Grouping of things is done for convenience. Classification is done on the basis of some dash and dash, similarities and difference. A thing can be made of different materials. Different materials can be used to make same thing. Mustard oil is dash in water, immiscible. A sugar syrup is a solution. Blue vitriol nilatro is dash in water, soluble. Sand is dash in water, insoluble. Lemon juice is dash in water, miscible. Dash substances are those through which we can easily see transparent. Materials which conduct heat quickly are called dash of heat conductor. Iron is a dash material, natural. Grouping is a successful process, true. All objects are made up of same kind of materials, false. Yes. Things can be grouped on the basics of their shape and size, true. Different types of materials have different properties, true. Same things can be made from different materials, true. Things made of gold and aluminum have no luster, false. Use of material depends on their properties and the purpose of which it is to be used, true. A look mirror or thing made of metals are smooth to touch, true. All materials can be felt by one or more of our sense? True. The amount of material is any object is called its weight. False. The material which do not allow light to pass through them are called true. The materials the material which conduct heat very slowly are called non-conductor of heat. Answer false. So complete chapter all MCQs सिक्स्थ क्लास का ये कौन सा सिक्स्थ क्लास का चैप्टर है, तो इसके ऑल सॉर्टिंग मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप्स का सिक्स्थ क्लास का चैप्टर पूरे एमसीक्यूज कवर हो गए हैं। और नेक्स्ट भी एमसीक्यूज चाहिए क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर्स के लिए आप मेरे को ज़रूर कमेंट में बताइएगा, एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। और टेक केयर, बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़, ऑल द बेस्ट।